stunts in this movie were performed by professionals.
Alright, how's it going, everybody? Today we are doing a review on Jackass 3 or 3D. So the movie starts off. It's their epic entrance, as they always have. Just, telling you who's all in the movie. This part actually kind of cracked me up. It's just pure ridiculous. It was pretty interesting because they referenced older tricks like Steve-O running into the fan, Now this movie, as always, have really epic parts in it. And of course it's got its funny moments. I swear, some of it was just fucking scary. Not to mention disgusting.
Order up! Who Cocktail Supreme!
Some parts are just painful as hell when they're pulling his teeth out. Listen to him shriek in pain. Overall, Jackass 3D is a great movie and it stands up to the first two in the series. If you like number 1 and number 2, definitely give this one a try. I promise you, you'll definitely enjoy it. What I'd give it a 8 out of 10. Just because it's hilarious, but some parts are disgusting and or painful. And as always, it ends with an epic exit scene. It's been Jake from Rooster1121. I'm out.